Gotta hold on, it'll take off on you. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And today, we are only weeks away from Barber Vintage Fest in Leeds, Alabama at the Barber Motorsports Park. And in this box is the platform of what we may build the best pit bike ever. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Guys, this is the FRP GMB100 mini bike. Let's go ahead and take it out and I'll tell you more about it. Go ahead and put some engine oil in here. Okay, let's take a walk around the FRP GMB100 100cc engine, 100 cc's of just pure fury. Little mini bike, disc brake in the back. No brakes in the front, and it even came with an extra brake pads, extra set of brake pads. They must think I'm really gonna ride this thing. Not a bad looking little mini bike. Start, stop. It came with a light kit. So, put that there, which is cool. It's got a little on switch here. Yeah, little USB-C charger. Not bad, not bad at all. Let's see if we can start this sucker up. Oh. Oh, gotta hold on, it'll take off on you. Not bad. Not bad for first pull out of the box. Sounds pretty good. Let's saddle up, see if we can take it for a ride. Okay, on, pull. I like it. I like it better with a little electric start. But starts right up, not bad. Let's get this sucker going. Kind of doesn't sound the best, but we'll figure out what that is. Oh, should I keep the glasses? Not too bad. This thing is fun so far. It's just the bottom of my camera, tripod, put that in my pocket, just keep going. Just pull over up here and talk about this little thing. Not a bad looking little mini bike. It runs great. It's got plenty of pep. I mean, they could always have more pep to them, right? But I got this, the nice folks from FRP reached out to me about doing a video on one of these, and I was a little apprehensive at first because it's a new mini bike, but it's a new mini bike inspired by the old mini bikes, and so that's what got me. But then I said, what could we do to make it kind of fit what we do? Can we add a little bit of old meets new, new meets old, something like that? So let's make it back home and let me show you what I have planned. Guys, this thing is, I think, a really good deal. Only $379. I think it's a few extra bucks for the light kit, but it's kind of cool. I'll leave a link in the description below. So you may be saying, Eric, what's that Goldwing fairing doing out here? And hold on, what is that? What's that old race fairing doing out here? This is one option. Let me lift it up so you guys can get a better view. So this is option number one. Something like this. Not too bad. Although I think I like option number two just a little bit better. Okay, let's see if we can fit this guy in. I need it up a little bit. I'll have to trim a little bit around. But I think we can do this. If I trim a little off the bottom so I can get that up. Yeah, I think we can get this guy. I think with a little finagling, we can get that guy to fit. Need a little lower bars maybe. Maybe I'll flip the bars upside down or flip them forward. A little lower bars. I can find some that'll fit in there a little bit better. And then we have yeah, I think we're there. I think this may be it. We're not there yet. Top's too high. Bars have to come down. Let me see what I can do. All right, that's kind of the correct shape here. Again, I just rolled the bars back, but if I put straight bars coming straight off that where the handlebar clamp is, I think we'll be okay. And then I'll have to trim a little bit of this to get it to sit back closer to it. Take a little bit more off the bottom so it'll tuck in right next to the frame. Yeah, that seems to be pretty good. We'll pull off that front fender, maybe the back fender, or it may all get painted black. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm not going to do anything to this fairing. We're going to leave it just like that. We may not even clean the windshield. I do have to do some repair work on this fairing. And my crack is right here. I've got it laying on it. So I don't have any fiberglass resin, but I do have some 2-part epoxy. So that should work good enough for what we're doing. By all means, this is probably not the right way to do something, but doesn't mean it's the wrong way. As the guy that skinned cats, there's more than one way to do it. No, this is definitely not the right way to do it. If it works, can it be all wrong? He's in there. Some gloves would have been nice, but I was out. Okay, this guy just has to cook. We'll get back to it a little later. So guys, the fairing, repairing the fairing right now, and then we'll prepare it to go on here. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Am I making a horrible decision? Or is it just gonna be a lot of fun? I think it's just gonna be a lot of fun. Why not? That fairing, I'm tired of seeing that fairing sitting around, and it might as well go on something. Looks like it's gonna go on this. I need to source, I need a bar solution. More of that in the next episode of building the best pit bike for Barber. So guys, another project. This one should be cool, should be fun. It should only be one more episode of this guy and then we're riding it. Riding it as it's going to look. We'll have the lights sorted out because they're not going to stay up on the bar where they were. We'll have those sorted out. We'll have the fairing on, have the handlebars sorted, and yeah, maybe we'll change the color in the next episode too. Who knows? Stay with us. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day. Guys, I want to interrupt this video just for a moment just to give a huge shout out to the fine folks at FRP for sending me this GMB100 to do this pit bike challenge.